This is Kim with Geauga Firearms Academy. Today I'm adding a new tool to my car kit, so I thought I would show you guys. My newest tool is from Stat Gear. It's a tactical auto rescue tool. It comes with 4 tools. The first one is a 440C stainless steel blade. Half is serrated and half is not. It has a nice little thumb notch there so it easily swings out. On the other side we have another thumb notch made from the same material. We have a seatbelt cutter. You can also use it to cut clothing. Here it has a little flashlight. It's just 5 lumens, but it's really handy if you drop something in the car and you need a quick little light. And last, it comes with a spring-loaded window punch. And I had a lot of fun with this because I actually got to go to the range and break a window with it, which I'm going to show you right now. We're going to go ahead and test it and see if it actually works. It comes with a nice little nylon pouch, and it does have a belt loop on the back, but also on the actual tool itself, it does have a really nice clip, so you could just stick it in your pocket as well. They also sell these EDC cases, so I got a little upgrade for my car, so I'm going to go ahead and stick it in with my other kit gear and add that to my glove compartment. If you're looking for an affordable tool to add to your car kit, check out the Stat Gear Tactical Auto Rescue Tool.